Okay, what is up? Recently, we just ordered a 2x2 and I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, now I'm just gonna rip it open because I'm so excited. I just rip it open. Right. This.
Travis,
Stop making a video. Don't talk to me right now. Okay, little boy. No, I just broke even more. Oh, 2x2. I'm just ripping it out because I don't care about the other things. So just want this cube right now. I want it now. Give me. Oh. Okay, so.
he's playing.
Wow. Stop, why? Okay, so. Goes a little bit. And let's see. Oh, it doesn't really look up. Doesn't look up. And could if it. No, let me just try this. This is how I test if it locks up. Don't lock up, so that's good. I'm not really that much of a cuber yet, but I do collect these and stuff. It's just crazy, but I do what I do. I'm just gonna attempt to solve it then. So let's get into it. I'm trying right now. Okay, I got a side. Can this flip corners? Oh, it flips corners. Oh, that would be handy. What? What? Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna. No, you don't know how to solve anything. Boom. Wow, I'm actually doing good on this. I didn't even know this is possible for me to solve a 2x2. If I solve this, I am giving myself a round of applause. A nice personal round of applause. Just personal. I take it back. Can you give me my keys? 2x2 don't like me. I'm just stuck here. Like, use it down. No. Okay, let me just pause. So I'm still trying to solve it. I just took like a couple minute pause. Crap. Well, I mixed it up. And now I'm gonna solve it. Attempt to solve it. I'm cheating, I'm flipping corners. It doesn't really matter. I'm a non-cuber anyways. Kind of. Pretty much. Wyatt, stop watching Glitchy Gamer. He sometimes says the S word, Wyatt. Should be watching him. Mom told you no. Don't you remember? What? It does only say it a little bit, but still. Swear. Yeah.
Why I can say it.
Oh, now this white is gone. Oh, it's all the way up there. Now, this is gone too. What is wrong with you? This is gone too. What is wrong with you? This is gone too. What is wrong with you? Sorry if you can't really see me. I'm not focusing on you guys. I'm focusing on this. Sorry if I'm taking too long. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm just so sorry. Corner flip. Got 1, 2, 3. Side solve. Don't blast the hate on me for corner flipping. I'm sorry. I tell you again. Okay? Please, no hate. No hate. No hate. I'm corner flipping, so what? Deal with it. Okay. Let's take it over here. Flip it. Pull this. No.
What do you guys do?
Trying to solve my 2x2 and I'm recording a video. Yep. And everything is getting mixed up. I just had 2 sides solved.
Where's Lola at?
What?
Where's Lola?
Mom? Oh, I think she's in the bathroom. Wow, this is not that hard. Might get the money. Huh? What?
Did you like that?
No. We just got home.
What did you do?
We went out to eat at El Paso.
Right?
El Paso.
What's up?
It's Mexican. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, guys, so I don't even know how to solve a 2x2, and I'm halfway there. This is like crazy, but no time to solve right now. Well, I'm gonna end the video right here. I still haven't solved it. Still real mixed up. We got 2 sides solved. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.